Today, we're going to talk about something that might just change the way you look at art forever. We're exploring a totally new and, honestly, much more logical way to understand composition, all thanks to the work of a theorist named Evgeniy Stasenko. Seriously, get ready, because this is going to flip what you thought you knew on its head.
What if I told you that the most famous rules of art are basically a myth? I mean, all those things you've been taught that are supposed to make a picture good, what if they're actually the very things holding you back?
Let's talk about why the old rules just don't work. So here's the real problem, right? The old theories, they're all based on this idea of harmony. It sounds lovely, doesn't it? But what does it even mean? It's so vague, so subjective. Now contrast that with the new theory. It's built on something Stasenko calls comfort conditions. And this is something totally different. It's a predictable, subconscious feeling that every single person has when they look at an image, and it's grounded in actual science.
Seriously, just for a second, forget all the rules. Forget the triangles, the spirals, all of it. The next time you look at a piece of art, just ask yourself one simple thing. How does this make me feel? Not what you think about it, but what's your gut reaction? Does it feel calm, tense, balanced? That feeling, that is the secret.
And that gut feeling? That's what Stasenko named the comfort conditions. It's your brain's immediate, totally subconscious reaction to the way shapes are arranged on a surface. This has nothing to do with whether you like the painting or not. It's a deep, biological response. And this is our new, solid foundation.
The goal isn't to make a good composition anymore. The goal is to have control. As an artist, you can intentionally design a feeling of comfort, or you can strategically create discomfort to make the viewer feel anxious, or tense, or excited. It becomes a tool.
I mean, this theory is really standing on the shoulders of giants. It all started back in the early 1900s with something called gestalt psychology, which was all about how our brains automatically organize things we see. Then, later, guys like Alfred Yarbus actually used eye-tracking technology to prove how our eyes move across a picture. What Stasenko did, which was so brilliant, was he took all this science and boiled it down into a practical, usable theory for artists.
Okay, let's pull all this together, because this isn't just some abstract art theory. What we're talking about is a fundamentally new way to see, well, to see everything. Composition is so powerful because it taps directly into this built-in biological programming we all share. And once this clicks for you, your whole role just shifts. You're not a rule follower anymore. You're an architect of perception. You are literally designing an experience, crafting a feeling for your viewer, right at the subconscious level. It's going to change everything. The way you look at paintings, at movies, at photographs, even just the way you see the world outside.